Attention timeshare owners. Are you feeling trapped by your timeshare and in need of legal representation to help you cancel your contract? Look no further, our experienced team of attorneys are here to help. We understand the complex legal issues surrounding timeshare ownership, and we are committed to fighting for your rights as a consumer. We can help you identify any clauses or terms in your contract that may support your case for cancellation, and we will work tirelessly to negotiate with the timeshare company on your behalf. If negotiations fail, we are prepared to file a lawsuit to seek the justice that you deserve. Our team of experts have years of experience in dealing with timeshare contracts and can help you navigate the complex legal procedures involved in terminating the contract, ensuring that you are fully informed and protected throughout the process. Don't let your timeshare hold you back any longer.